For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a recycling business can be both a profitable venture and a positive contribution to environmental sustainability. With the rise of technology, especially free AI tools, you can streamline the process of planning, marketing, and operating your recycling business more efficiently. This guide will walk you through each step, showing how to use free AI resources to support your efforts from initial research to launching and growing your business. Step 1. Understand the recycling industry and identify your niche. Begin by learning about the recycling industry, including the types of materials that are commonly recycled, such as paper, plastic, metals, and electronics. Research the local regulations and demand for recycling services in your target area. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to help gather and summarize information quickly. For example, you could ask, explain the main challenges and opportunities in the recycling industry in your location. This will give you a foundational understanding and help you identify a niche where your business can thrive. Step 2. Conduct market research and competitor analysis. Next, use AI to assist in market research and competitor analysis. Tools like ChatGPT can help you create surveys or questionnaires to gather insights from potential customers or businesses about their recycling needs. You can also use AI to analyze competitor data and identify gaps in the market. For instance, prompt ChatGPT with, create a questionnaire to understand the recycling habits of local businesses or summarize the strengths and weaknesses of recycling businesses in your city. This research will guide your business model and service offerings. Step 3. Develop a detailed business plan. A solid business plan is essential for success. Use AI tools to generate a comprehensive plan, including your business model, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. You can ask ChatGPT to help outline the sections of your business plan or even draft entire parts based on your inputs. Try prompts such as, help me write a business plan for a small recycling company specializing in plastic waste collection, or create financial projections for a recycling startup with an initial investment of $50,000. This will save you time and ensure your plan is thorough. Step 4. Choose your business structure and register your company. Decide on the legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. AI can help by explaining the pros and cons of each option in your jurisdiction. Ask something like, explain the advantages and disadvantages of forming an LLC for a recycling business in your state. Once decided, follow your local government's online resources to register your business, obtain necessary licenses, and meet environmental regulations. Step 5. Identify and source equipment and suppliers. Determine the type of recycling equipment you need, whether it's collection bins, sorting machines, shredders, or trucks. Use AI tools to research suppliers, compare prices, and read reviews. You can prompt ChatGPT with, list essential equipment for a small-scale paper recycling business and suggest reliable suppliers. Additionally, search online marketplaces and connect with manufacturers to get quotes. Step 6. Set up your operational workflow. Plan how you will collect, process, and sell recyclable materials. AI tools can help map out efficient logistics and operational processes. Use ChatGPT to create a workflow outline by asking, describe the typical operational steps in a plastic recycling business from collection to sale. This helps you visualize daily activities and optimize resource allocation. Step 7. Create a brand identity and marketing strategy. Building a strong brand is crucial for attracting customers and partners. AI can assist in generating business names, slogans, and designing logos through free tools. For example, use ChatGPT to brainstorm names. Suggest creative business names for a recycling company focused on eco-friendly solutions. For logo creation, free AI-powered design tools like Canva can be helpful. Next, develop a marketing plan tailored to your audience. Use AI to draft social media posts, email campaigns, and website content. Ask ChatGPT. Create a 3-month social media marketing plan for a recycling startup targeting local businesses. This step will help you gain visibility and build trust in your community. Step 8. Build an online presence. Establish a professional website and social media profiles. You can use AI website builders such as Wix ADI or Bookmark, which offer free plans and AI-driven design features. These tools can generate website layouts based on your business type and preferences. For website content, prompt ChatGPT with "Write an About Us page for a recycling company committed to sustainability." This makes your online presence more compelling and accessible. Step 9. Implement customer relationship and data management. Managing customer information and tracking orders is essential. Use free AI-powered CRM platforms like HubSpot CRM to organize contacts, follow-ups, and sales pipelines. These tools often integrate AI for data insights and task automation. You can ask ChatGPT, "How can I use a CRM system to improve customer service in my recycling business?" to guide setup and usage. Step 10. Launch your recycling business and monitor performance. Once all preparations are complete, launch your business with an event, promotion, or outreach campaign. AI tools can help you draft press releases, announcements, or email newsletters. For example, prompt ChatGPT. Write a press release announcing the launch of a new recycling service in city. After launching, use AI analytics tools like Google Analytics, free tier, for your website and social media insights to monitor engagement and customer behavior. AI can help you interpret data trends and suggest improvements. Ask, analyze social media data, and recommend ways to increase customer engagement for a recycling company. Conclusion. Starting a recycling business today is more accessible than ever, thanks to the power of free AI tools that assist in research, planning, marketing, and operations. By leveraging these technologies thoughtfully, you can reduce startup costs, improve efficiency, and focus on growing your business while making a positive environmental impact. Following these steps with the help of AI will guide you from concept to a thriving recycling enterprise. If you want, I can help you create sample prompts or draft parts of your business plan or marketing materials right now. Would you like me to do that? That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.